Hey guys, 12 o'clock here. Welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. Today I'm going to talk about brakes and some of the hardware that's associated with them. One of the most common mistakes when throwing brake pads on a bike or a car or anything, a lot of times you might see that your brake pads wear, one of them wears out, one of them still new. That's because nobody lubes the slides. You have to lube the hardware in the slides. This bracket right here on this is off a 636 rear foot brake. But a lot of cars are the same, and a lot of the rear brakes and some of the front brakes are the same. They have slides here. So these are supposed to slide in and out of this housing with ease. And you can see this one moves. Let me see if I can show you with one hand here. This one moves, but it's very stiff. So you can see it moving, but it's hard to move. So if I were going to throw brake pads back on this and put this back on a bike, all you have to do is pull this out, pull it all the way out, clean all the dust and dirt off of these slides and out of these boots, and then just apply some brake and caliper grease. This is just some stuff I picked up at O'Reilly's. They have clear, they have whatever. This happens to be black, but it has a little brush on the cap, and once you get this out, you just brush some on, put it back together, and you'll notice it'll slide very freely after that. So let's see if we can get this one lubed up. You can see it's very hard to get out. It doesn't want to come off. Everything's very dry here. But if you work it enough, it will come off. There we go. So you can see we got it out of there. And it's just very dry. Bunch of buildup, so you want to knock that off with a wire brush or something, and then maybe blow these out with an air compressor. What you do is you just take some of this here, put it on each of the slides. Sorry it's a little dark, my garage light went out. And once you have a little bit on each of the slides, you just shove her back in there. And now you can see already, just by that, how much ease. Look, it moves on its own now. See that? That's how it's supposed to do. So that caliper can float while the brakes are operating. And again, this is on cars, trucks, four-wheelers, bikes, whatever you got. If you got hardware that slides like that, be sure it's sliding. Be sure to clean it up. Be sure to put a little lube in there, because it'll sure make it function a lot better. And it won't wear out one of the pads and not the other. Your pads will wear evenly. So, well, that's it, guys. This is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.